Hi, my name is Suzanne from Knits by S, and today I will show you how to knit an I-cord. You can use whichever yarn and needle size you want for this, and you can cast on as many stitches as you want. Typically, you would cast on anywhere from 3 to 7 for an I-cord, and for this lesson I will cast on 4 stitches. I'll leave a link in my bio for a video on how to cast on. You have now cast on 4 stitches and you are ready to knit. You will now slide the stitches down to the other end of your needle, and you will notice that the working yarn will now be at the back. And that's okay, that's how you want it. You will now knit those 4 stitches as normal. So you knit them as knit stitches. When you now have knitted these 4 stitches, all you have to do is repeat. So you start by sliding your stitches down the other end of the needle, making sure the working yarn is in the back, and you just knit as normal. And all you have to do now is repeat this until you're at the length that you want. When you are happy with the length of your I-cord, all you have to do is bind off. And you bind off like normal. So you knit 2 stitches and then you pull the first stitch over the second. And you continue this with all 4 stitches. All that's left to do now is to cut your end and bind off, and I'll show you how to do that now. We're going to use a tapestry needle to help us. And all we're going to do now is run the end through the I-cord. Just make sure it's not visible on either of the sides so that it looks nice and neat, like so. You don't have to run it all the way down to the end, you can pull it through wherever you'd like, and when you do, just make sure you pull a little bit on the thread, like so, when you cut the end. So when you then pull the I-cord, the end will just disappear inside. And there you have it, a beautifully knit I-cord. If you like videos like this, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel and leave any comments on what you would like to see next. Happy knitting!